What's the meaning of askew? Askew. Askew.
Askew. Askew. Askew means not straight or not in the correct position. When an object is askew, it is crooked or tilted. This can refer to physical objects or to more abstract concepts such as plans or ideas. When something is askew, it can be immediately noticeable and may cause discomfort or a feeling of unease. It can also indicate a lack of attention to detail or a lack of organization. Overall, something that is askew is not aligned properly and may appear out of place or off kilter.